Cats with Hats coloring book. So I got this for my daughter when she was 8. She enjoys coloring and she really likes cats. And this was just a fun, you know, kind of different, not just your typical cats. Their cats are all dressed up and wearing hats. So I'll show you a few of the pages. So here, they're just fun looking pictures. So this would be good for kids who like cats, or even for adults who like to color. Now, as you can see, she used regular markers, and there is some that bleeds through, so you do have to be a little careful with that. Coloring pencils would work really well. So the paper is a little bit thin, but overall it's really good. She's had a lot of fun with this. She still has a lot more cats to color, but I'll show you us coloring one of them just so you can see.